Most people think that law is just a barracks, article, clauses and section. But as a Medicaps law student, I have experienced classroom से courtroom तक का सफर.
In 2025, we have witnessed the constitutional governance at its highest level through mock courtrooms to the Supreme Court of India and Rashtrapati Bhavan visits, which gave me the real world insights.
Had seminars on cybercrime and legal awareness on cyber cells, in which the students had a crucial knowledge of the digital threats and the legal law enforcements. Intra-moot court competition has pushed the students to excel in advocacy, legal research and argumentation, bringing their courtroom skills to life.
2025 was a transformative year for the Faculty of Law. We are not just teaching law, we are building skilled, confident legal professionals who will make real impact. This year we conducted a comprehensive workshop on trial advocacy, where students mastered the courtroom skills through hands-on practice, from opening statement to cross-examination.
But we did not stop here. To give our students practical insight into the state's apex constitutional functioning, we organized an educational tour to the Governor House. Besides this, to give our student a grassroots level understanding of law enforcement, we organized an educational visit to the Indore Traffic Police Station with Indore Police.
2025 was just the beginning.
We look forward to 2026 to achieve more
And make our students ready from classroom to courtroom.